Hey guys, Fernova here from Mr. Fernova Tech Channel, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about some breaking news in relation to the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. We're talking about the release date, the confirmed launch location, and I also want to talk about why Samsung is actually dropping one of the S26 models entirely, as well as leaks regarding camera and major AI upgrades. So let's dive in and get started right away. So let's start with the Galaxy S26 Unpacked event. According to multiple reports and confirmed by several industry insiders, as mentioned by this user on X, Samsung is planning to hold their next Unpacked event on February 25th, 2026. It's going to be in San Francisco, California. Now, that's the same city Samsung released the S23 back in 2023. And this 2026 launch is being described as a heavy AI-focused launch. Now, this will mark Samsung's first San Francisco Unpacked event in 3 years. And with the city now being seen as a major global AI hub, Samsung thinks it's the perfect stage to showcase what it calls the AI smartphone era. Now, what exactly are they going to release when it comes to the S26? We have had some confusion. Samsung originally planned to release 4 Samsung Galaxy S26 models. It was going to be the base S26 model, a brand new Pro model, a brand new Edge model, and then the flagship Ultra model. You can see that's a very confusing lineup. Now, here's the good news. Samsung has scrapped that idea. They're returning to their usual 3-model lineup. That's going to be the S26, S26 Plus, and the S26 Ultra. Now, what's the reason they first went with 4 models and they went back to 3 models? That's because the S25 Edge that they released this year did not meet sales expectations, low demand. So they were going to make an S26 Edge model, but seeing as nobody cares about it, they just dropped that altogether. A lot of people did not appreciate the smaller battery and the slight feature compromises compared to the Plus and the Ultra models. So Samsung is shelving the Edge concept, and they're returning to its proven trio, the base, the Plus, and the Ultra. That's the way to go. Now, what about upgrades? What about the design? What about the hardware on these new S26 series? Design-wise, don't expect a radical change. In fact, we have had some renders from OnLeaks that shows that the S26 Ultra is going to be very similar looking to the S25 Ultra, which is a good thing. The design and the build of the S25 is rock solid, and that's being carried over to the S26. The one thing we can expect is going to be slightly slimmer bezels, which is a good thing, but nothing dramatic. But we are going to get some definitive display improvements. That's going to be a brighter and sharper display. We don't know the details just yet. We'll see soon enough. Now, under the hood, we're supposed to get the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, at least for the S26 Ultra model. The other 2 models might end up getting the Exos 2600. Unfortunately, we're not 100% sure about any of this yet, but rumors are floating around. Personally, I hope they just stick to the Snapdragon at the minimum for the S26 Ultra. It's a proven, powerful platform, and Exynos, as you know, has a shaky history, so we'll see. So what about the AI upgrades and the camera upgrades? So leaks do suggest that all 3 models will share an upgraded 12-megapixel telephoto sensor, but the 200-megapixel sensor on the main camera on the S26 Ultra is going to remain unchanged, which is disappointing, but it is definitely going to have improved low-light performance and faster processing and sharper photos, but nothing dramatic. They're not changing the sensor. It's going to be the same 200-megapixel sensor they've been using for a while. But the big thing is going to be the Galaxy AI 2.0, which is what some people are calling it. Basically, all the existing AI features are going to be upgraded and get better. So we're going to have advanced real-time translation, even better than what we have now. We're going to have smarter photo generation and photo editing capabilities, and also features like summarizing stuff is just going to get better and better. And we'll most likely see some new features in the AI feature set. So that's what I want to talk about in this video. So here's a summary on the screen. You can see Samsung is tightening the lineup. Only 3 models, not 4 models as originally expected, boosted AI features and functions, and of course, greater performance, hopefully with the Snapdragon processors. And even if you get the Exynos 2600, as long as it's better than the Snapdragon, then I'm fine. but historically, Snapdragon has been a better processor. And, of course, I'll be covering all the leaks, hands-on footage, and comparisons right here. So make sure to subscribe to Mr. Fanova Tech channel, hit that bell icon to get notified, and stay tuned for more Galaxy S26 coverage. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?